You know, you can't do much without the internet these days. So today is a very important morning because here we are and the internet guy is here to hook up our internet for the very first time. So because we're going to have an open concept situation here, we decided to put the modem and the router right up there next to that switch, or next to that plug I should say. Internet is coming in from there, from the outside, and this should give us a nice healthy signal throughout our box looking house, which we love because it's going to end up looking like an art gallery with all these white walls and lots of original art from different artists from the area. And you know, you can't be living in Brazil in this environment without having at least a couple of hammocks hanging from your poles next to the pool, because pretty much every pousada, which is a bed and breakfast, every hotel, every home has one of these. So I don't have my drill set with me today, but as soon as I do, we're going to be hanging a hammock over here and a hammock over there as well. So two people could be enjoying the hammock poolside. And look at Elci! Elci is busy painting the laundry room. You having fun, my dear?
I am, a lot.
Right?
I love it.
So this is where the washing machine is gonna go. Here in Brazil you don't need dryers because everybody has clotheslines. So we'll have a clothesline here somewhere. So we've planted two of these bougainvilleas, which eventually will grow up to go all the way up to this. And then we're gonna put another piece of wood. There's one on that side as well. And the idea is to have it bridge across this side of the pool from each side.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play.
Elci, I'm so hungry.
Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. It's something that happens, something that happens.
I'm glad I got here at the age of 61.
Right?
lot of guys my age have no hair. I don't have that problem. So I just asked the big guy, the construction boss, if the house is going to be ready to move in by next Wednesday. Today's Thursday, so he said, yes, the house is going to be ready in 5 days. 5 days. So we have to now contract with a mover and bring all our stuff here. Wednesday. Hopefully our next vlog after this one will be us moving in.
See the weather, right?
Yes. Weather dependent, of course.